Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Shiba Inu price prediction and Shiba Inu news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba Inu in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaskan Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. Worth of SHIB tokens, which makes up 14.3% of the total holdings. Meanwhile, the FTX token is still the biggest coin held by the ETH wallets. They own over $1.9 billion worth of FTX tokens. SHIB price down by 8%. The global crypto market saw a downward trend on Friday. The market is reacting to the unfavorable decision coming from European Union and other inflation concerns. Shiba Inu has lost all the gains it registered yesterday. The coin is down by over 8% in the last 24 hours. SHIB is trading at an average price of $0.000025 at the press time. Shiba Inu team to expound on latest developments of Binance-hosted AMA. The Shiba Inu team seems set to expound on the latest developments in the SHIB ecosystem, as an announcement from the SHIB official Twitter handle reads that an AMA hosted by Binance. This is scheduled for today, April 1. After revealing the juicy details of its much-talked-about metaverse project called SHIB. The metaverse, and teasing a year full of other surprises, the Shiba Inu team is launching with a live AMA. Expectations are on the rise for new implementations like Layer 2 Shibarium and SHIB, the Shiba ecosystem stablecoin. Shibarium is the Layer 2 layer, on which SHIB, the metaverse, will be developed, and SHIB, the Shiba ecosystem stablecoin, aims to open new investment opportunities through the system SHIB is currently developing. Shiba Inu recently unveiled its metaverse, which will consist of 100,595 land plot. The plots will be unlocked in phases. During the introductory phase, the team will unlock the Ethereum. Co-founder Vitalik Buterin has been hitting out at Russian President Vladimir Putin over the Ukraine war, and has even taken the time to respond to his Chinese-speaking critics. Buterin, who was born in Russia, but moved to Canada when he was 6 years old, hit out at Putin on the first day of the Russian military operation, claiming that the Russian leader's actions had ditched peace in favor of war, and committed a crime against the Ukrainian and Russian people. He has since followed up by sharing tweets criticizing Putin and calling for an end to hostilities. And on March 9, he replied to a call to allow Russian students kicked out of universities for protesting war to signal that Europe stands with those in Russia that oppose Putin and oppose the war. Buterin wrote that the first priority was supporting Ukrainians. And he added, next, it was also really important, and a priority to support those Russians and Belarusians who refuse to let Putin's zombie regime represent them, and take action to oppose it. Social media observers on the platform offered their support for Buterin's call, including the founder of the crypto exchange giant Binance, Changpeng Zhao, who said that the world was lucky to have the Ethereum co-founder. Trading volume behind only leading stablecoins USDT and BUSD, and the US dollar. The meme-inspired cryptocurrency has also recently been added to leading digital payments platform Wirex, which has over 4.5 million users, and allows them to spend dozens of currencies at more than 80 million locations worldwide. Wirex touts it created the world's first cryptocurrency-enabled payments card in 2015. Earlier this year it expanded to the United States, and added numerous other cryptocurrencies including Polygon, Matic, Binance's $BNB, Avalanche, $Vax, and Phantom, $FTM. The second news today is Ethereum's Buterin reiterates support for Ukraine, educates Chinese on patriotism. Things in recent times. Other whales have been following this same path. The previous day, a whale had purchased more than 3.7 trillion SHIB tokens. The value for this had come out to over $89 million spent on the token, one of the largest single transactions ever recorded by the meme coin. SHIB profitability. Shiba Inu had made its own fair share of millionaires last year, when it emerged as the unlikely breakout star of the year. The cryptocurrency had surged so high, and so fast, that it had gathered a massive community behind it. This would continue for a while. However, once the downtrend started, it seemed to be a long way down until the majority of investors were in losses. This is still continuing today as more Shiba Inu investors are recording losses to those in profit. According to data from Into the Block, only 35% of all SHIB holders are currently in profit, presumably those that got into the digital asset early. 58% of all investors are in loss, and only 4% of investors are in the neutral territory. As for the price of SHIB, it continues to trend around the $0.00002 level. Currency in burning 10% of its supply. Currently, only 59% of Shiba Inu's initial supply was still in circulation, as well over 410 trillion SHIB has been burned since the cryptocurrency was launched. Turkey's SHIB adoption has been growing over time as the value of the country's fiat currency, the lira, drops. Over the last 12 months, the currency has lost nearly half of its value against the US dollar, while over the last 5 years it lost over 75% of its value. While Bitcoin has historically been a favored digital store of value asset for countries in similar situations, Turkish citizens have reportedly been adopting $SHIB and $USDT as alternatives. According to CryptoCompare data, the Turkish lira represents 5.2% of SHIB's. Whale's interest in buying the meme coin can be seen by looking at the list of top coins purchased in different spans of time. Shiba Inu comfortably makes it to the list of top tokens purchased in the last 7 and 30 days. Meanwhile, the coin hasn't made it to the tally of top 10 coins sold in the last 24 hours, which means that whales are waiting for the price to surge. Shiba Inu is the second largest coin held by the Ethereum whales excluding the ETH token. As per the data, top whales hold over $1.4 billion and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, Shiba Inu, SHIB, prices will reach a level similar to their previous record high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $0.00003148. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Shiba Inu's maximum price could be up to $0.00003536 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. The forecast for 2023 for analysts is that they believe that the current Shiba Inu price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SHIB could reach $0.00005183 by 2023 with significant cooperation with financial institutions. If the